Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we got a 1957 Chevrolet. When you hear 57 Chevy, you don't think of a pickup truck immediately, but yeah, they made trucks too in 57. Beautiful colors. It's decked out with spotlights and a visor, chrome wheels, got a 350 motor, turbo 350 automatic. This thing's a cruiser. It's been body off the frame restored. I have photos of the body off frame. These are on our website, along with a folder full of some documentation. There's even two crates right here filled with some extra goodies, including the paint that was used to paint the truck. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find more information and look at all the pictures. And you will find a price tag on every one of our cars, along with the monthly finance option at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, really nice truck. Body was off the frame. I have pictures of it, just the frame. They did put a 79 Firebird front clip, so it has independent suspension. Looks like it was all rebuilt. Ball joints, shocks, springs, steering components, all look fresh and clean. Also has a sway bar up front. The rear suspension looks fresh. The leaf springs and the bushings and the shocks and the nuts and bolts all look nice and clean. The frame is a boxed frame, smooth, clean. Everything under the truck is painted black and a lot of fresh hardware. The brakes were redone. It has all fresh brake lines, brake hoses. They did convert it to disc brakes in the front. They relocated the fuel tank. Usually they're behind the seat. So these days you want to get it out of the cab. They put it up under the truck. It's actually a 69 Mustang fuel tank they used under there. It has a dual exhaust system. Comes out on each side. There's a chrome tip. It sounds nice. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. You look up at the motor. It's nice and clean. It has a chrome oil pan. The starter was rebuilt. It has a turbo 350 automatic transmission, 10-bolt Chevy rear end. The underbody of the truck is clean, solid metal. It looks like they sprayed it with like a black chip guard paint. The boards and the bed are refinished from the bottom, so when you're looking up, they're all refinished real nice. So underneath the truck is really clean and fresh. Not many miles on this thing since it's been done. Maybe a couple thousand would be my guess. So the body, it's all metal body. It's got some nice lines too. I love the headlights and the ribs here on the hood. Anyway, it's all metal, all clean, no rust, no damage, all the way down here at the bottom, smooth. It all fits real nice, all lines up real good. This is all clean. The cab corners are clean. Kind of neat how this jets out here. It has a nice feature. The box might be a new box. It looks new in the pictures. All metal fenders, all nice and clean. Custom tailgate. Has a custom roll pan down here with the recessed license plate. All nice, clean metal. Like I said, they removed the fuel tank, so the fuel filler got filled in. So the body is really nice. Got a metal visor. It looks like it's actually part of the cab. And then there's a little bit of chrome welting between the fenders and around the gutter. The paint, it's a 57 Chevy turquoise color. I don't know the name of that color, but it's a stock color. Beautiful, especially with the white roof, nice two-tone. And again, it comes with a gallon of the paint that it was painted with. We have some old vintage dual spotlights, one on each side. The mirrors and door handles were new. It looks like the headlight bezels, the turn signals, the entire grille, the bumper, all that looks like it's replaced. It's sparkling. The wipers look new. All the glass has been replaced, and all the gaskets, all the rubber gaskets all around, all been replaced. Said new door handles. The back window is a sliding rear window, so that's obviously custom. That was put in there. The antennas actually are hooked up. There's antenna wires underneath them. There's a third brake light mounted right here. In back, the bumper looks new. The tail lights look new. It does have blue dots. There is a small hitch receiver. That would just be for a little trailer. I don't know what you couldn't fit in there that you need a trailer for, maybe pulling a motorcycle or something like that. Chrome wheels look new. They got radial tires in excellent shape. Truck is lowered down nicely. So now let's open it up. We'll show you the inside. Okay, so this is a custom tailgate, so it does have custom chrome latches. Inside this box is beautiful. All the metal is perfectly clean and straight, and it's painted slick. Even has a little chrome pinstriping all the way up front. And then you can see the oak boards are refinished, and it's all polished stainless strips and all polished hardware used throughout. There is some chipped paint right here, and obviously must touch when it's closed. You have a spare tire. This fits front or back, painted rim. A lot of people don't carry a spare. You can leave it home or leave it here. Maybe get a better looking strap. And here's the fuel filler. And we've also got, I told you, 2 boxes, just miscellaneous stuff that will go with the truck. I didn't mention the wheels are 14-inch in front, 15 in back, so a little bit of a staggered size. It's really a nice truck, affordable nice truck. So the whole inside of the cab, the door jambs, the doors, it was all painted, all new weather strips, new window cranks and handles and armrests. The dash area is all painted. There's a really nice instrument panel with a matching set of autometer gauges. Does have a cassette stereo. Now, they've mounted vintage air system underneath here, so you don't have much of a glove box because of the vintage air. Now, they did not put the vintage air in the engine compartment, so they've started the process. Up to you if you want to finish it or not. Nice carpet on the floor. It is a tilt column. Personally, I'd change the steering wheel out for something a lot sharper looking. The upholstery is excellent. The seat's nice and firm, feels good. It's got seat belts. Again, it's painted, has the headliner. Not a headliner, it's actually sprayed like that bed liner material. New visors, new mirror. So really nice interior. I'd swap out the steering wheel. Some neat Chevrolet mats. The stereo is actually a cassette player, and cassettes are in style. They actually cost more money now than they ever did. Okay, I just opened this. Here we go. Beautiful motor compartment. Nice smooth firewall, custom made firewall. 350 motor, polished aluminum intake, Edelbrock 600 carb with electric choke. It's got an HEI distributor hiding back there. Dressed up with a lot of nice chrome. Look under the hood and the bars and all the hardware. The hinges, stainless steel bolts, all painted beautifully. The battery is properly mounted, has a nice easy disconnect switch. We got horns down here, chrome shroud. We do have power steering, and we have power brakes. I should have mentioned it also has headers on the motor. It's a nice, clean, simple motor compartment. It's a really nice, clean, tidy truck. Everywhere you look, it's clean. The interior, the motor, underneath, in the bed, the paint, the wheels, everything is clean and fresh. I wanted to clarify, they started adding the air conditioning, but it does look like the heat is all hooked up. So if you want to add air conditioning, you just have to add the components that are under the hood, which are available new. It's a nice old truck. It's not a lot of money. It's actually very affordable. Now that I'm looking at just how nice it is, I think someone's going to get a really good deal on this one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll assist the whole process. They'll answer your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll get this delivered to your door at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.